Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I got an part unboxing of Halloween Ends Steelbook from Best Buy, which is already pre-opened, but I just wanted to check out, there's no dents or whatever. In case it's sold out, I mean, I doubt it, but you never know. Especially with these Steelbooks, you never know either. Dents and scratches. Steelbook collectors, as myself, yeah, y'all know what it's like. But let's go ahead and open this. You got your only at Best Buy exclusive Steelbook. Let's go ahead and take this wrapper off already. Has the front. You got the front right there. Halloween Ends. Nice shiny glossy artwork, and then you got Halloween Ends title right there. Let's take this off. There's your spine. Halloween Ends. Universal logo. And on the back you got Lori. Now, I like the color. I like the black and orange. There's the front and back together. And there's the inside. Of course, it comes with a digital copy, but took that out. There's your artwork on the 4K disc. You got Michael. And then there's just a plain old black Halloween Ends disc for Blu-ray. And then there's the other side, which you got Michael and Lori, which this scene happens at the end. Let's go ahead and put this back. I like this Steelbook. I think it's a pretty nice Steelbook compared to the other two that they released for Halloween 2018 and Halloween Kills. I'd say this is the best out of those three, which they released both Halloween and Halloween Kills. They released them twice on Steelbook, but between all of them, I think this is the nicest one. I mean, I like that. I like how they finally added some color. They got the orange and black together. Looks nice. And but yeah, there's my unboxing of Halloween Ends. Hey guys, I hope you leave a like and comment down below. Subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of more unboxings. Oh yeah, and I'm recording this on New Year's Eve, so I want to wish everybody New Year's and stay safe.